10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Plus 5 seconds.
Lift off normal.
That's a marvelous liftoff of PSLV
PT tracking.
C-60 SPADX mission on the go.
Plus 15
Sleek
seconds.
PSLV Corelon vehicle
Good tracking.
saluted against the night sky, a beautiful sight to behold.
First
जी हाँ,
stage
अभी आपने
performance
देखा
normal.
सफलतापूर्ण उत्थापन PSLV C-60 रॉकेट का रात
Plus
को
30
रोशन
seconds.
करता हुआ PSLV C-60 अपने उद्दिष्ट कक्षा की ओर
MFPCR tracking.
सभी तंत्र सामान्य निष्पादन करते हुए रेंज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर ने इसकी पुष्टि की है। प्रथम चरण का निष्पादन पूरी तरह सामान्य है। प्रथम चरण का कुल कार्यकाल लगभग 111 सेकंड का
Start 2
होगा।
minute tracking.
Plus 1 minute.
Start 1 minute tracking.
S-139 motor currently thrusting, developing 4,800 kilonewtons thrust.
PT
Its
change out SCPT 2.
138-ton solid propellants take 111 seconds to deplete.
Stage performance normal.
आसमान पूरी तरह साफ, इसलिए दूर तक हम देख सकते हैं। इस बार प्रथम चरण का प्रतिकन भी पूरी तरह साफ दिखाई देगा हमें।
Shah station currently tracking the rocket.
First stage separated. Second stage engine started.
Plus
Closed
2
loop
minutes.
guidance initiated.
प्रथम चरण के कार्यकाल के पश्चात उसे सफलतापूर्वक पृथक कर दिया गया है यान से तथा द्वितीय चरण PS2
Second
स्टेज का
stage
प्रज्वलन शुरू हो
performance
चुका है।
normal.
The second stage has commenced its operation after the first stage separation. This stage burns on hypergolic earth-storable propellant combination of hydride of unsymmetrical dimethyl hydrazine and dinitrogen tetroxide. The legendary Vikas engine developing 800 kilonewtons thrust in vacuum.
यान के सभी तंत्र सामान्य प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं और यान उद्दिष्ट कक्षा की ओर बढ़ रहा है। यह द्वितीय चरण है जिसका कार्यकाल लगभग 150 सेकंड का होगा। इस दौरान वह 800 किलो न्यूटन का प्रणोद उत्पन्न कर रहा है और इंजन जिम्बल की मदद से दिशा निर्धारण किया जा रहा है। इस दौरान
Plus
यान
3 minutes.
क्लोज लूप गाइडेंस के अंतर्गत काम कर रहा है। कुछ ही क्षणों में हम पेलोड फेयरिंग यानी ऊष्मा कवच का प्रतिकन देखेंगे।
Payload fairing separated.
That's the next major flight event achieved, the separation of payload fairing.
Second stage performance normal.
प्रमोचन यान अब घने वातावरण से बाहर जा चुका है। अब इसकी ऊंचाई लगभग 130 किलोमीटर हो चुकी है, इसलिए ऊष्मा कवच की अब कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। इसे यान से पृथक कर दिया गया है।
The second stage operation lasts for 151 seconds and will be jettisoned 4 minutes 20 seconds into flight. Shar and Port Blair stations tracking currently.
द्वितीय चरण तरल
Plus 4
पर
minutes.
आधारित चरण है। इसमें लगभग 42 टन तरल नोदक का प्रयोग किया जाता है। अब इस गतिविधि में अगली घटना होगी द्वितीय चरण का पृथकन तथा तृतीय चरण का प्रज्वलन शुरू।
Second stage separated. Third stage ignited.
We are 4.5 minutes into flight and the third stage has commenced
Third
its
stage
operation.
performance normal.
द्वितीय चरण को कार्यकाल के पश्चात सफलतापूर्वक पृथक कर दिया गया है तथा तृतीय चरण ठोस नोदक पर आधारित तृतीय चरण इसका प्रज्वलन शुरू हो चुका है। पूरे तंत्र पूरी तरह सामान्य कार्य करते हुए
Third stage of PSLV operates
Plus
on
5
7.6 tons of HTPB based solid propellant. Vacuum thrust close to 240 kilonewtons and close to 2 minutes burn time.
PSLV का यह तृतीय चरण HPS 3 चरण के नाम से जाना जाता है, हाई परफॉर्मेंस PS3 स्टेज। इसमें कुल 7.6 टन का ठोस नोदक और इस दौरान यह 240 किलो न्यूटन का प्रणोद उत्पन्न कर रहा है।
Third stage performance normal.
तृतीय चरण को सतीश धवन अंतरिक्ष केंद्र द्वारा निर्मित किया जाता है।
Trajectory of the rocket closely following the prediction.
Plus 6 minutes.
यान पूरी तरह अपेक्षित पथ का अनुकरण करता हुआ अब तृतीय चरण अपने अंतिम कार्यकाल की ओर।
Third stage action completed.
The third
Vehicle in
stage
combined
has
hosting approximately for 125 seconds.
during the coast phase along with Shar and Port Blair stations. The tracking station at Singapore also starts to acquire the tracking and telemetry data.
तृतीय चरण का कार्यकाल समाप्त हो चुका है। इसके पश्चात कोस्टिंग फेज की शुरुआत हो चुकी है। यह कोस्टिंग फेज
Plus 7 minutes.
125 सेकंड का होगा। इस
Vehicle
दौरान बिना
performance
किसी
normal.
प्रणोदन के यान सिर्फ दिशा निर्धारण करते हुए अपनी उद्दिष्ट कक्षा की ओर बढ़ रहा है।
As a precursor to rehearse for Gaganyaan mission, 11 ground stations will support for PSLV C-60 launch vehicle for orbits 1 and 2.
पूर्वी दिशा का यह मिशन है, इसलिए ग्राउंड स्टेशंस में शार, पोर्ट ब्लेयर, सिंगापुर, यत्रगा, शेटलैंड यूके, प्लाना और मॉरिशस स्थित ग्राउंड स्टेशंस इसे ट्रैक कर हम तक डेटा उपलब्ध कराएंगे।
Plus 8 minutes.
वर्तमान में
Vehicle
शार तथा
performance
पोर्ट ब्लेयर
normal.
स्थित ग्राउंड स्टेशन हम तक डेटा उपलब्ध करा रहे हैं। यान के सभी आंकड़े हम तक टेलीमेट्री डेटा द्वारा प्राप्त किए जाते हैं और उससे हमें अभी यह पता लग रहा है कि सभी तंत्र सामान्य हैं। यान अपने उद्दिष्ट दिशा की ओर।
Third stage separated.
We have a confirmation from Range Operations Director that the third stage separation has taken place
Fourth stage engine started.
and the fourth stage, uppermost stage PS4 is currently operating.
जी हाँ, कोस्टिंग फेज समाप्त हो चुका है।
Fourth stage
तृतीय चरण
performance
को यान
normal.
से पृथक किया जा
Plus
चुका
9
है
minutes.
तथा इसके पश्चात चतुर्थ चरण PS4 स्टेज का प्रज्वलन शुरू हो चुका है और सभी तंत्र सामान्य कार्य कर रहे हैं।
We are 9 minutes 15 seconds into flight. Current altitude 417 kilometers.
जी हाँ, अब यान की ऊंचाई 423 किलोमीटर हो चुकी है तथा सापेक्ष गति 6.39 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड। उद्दिष्ट कक्षा के लिए यह ऊंचाई 476 किलोमीटर की होनी है तथा सापेक्ष गति 7.3 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड की प्राप्त करनी बाकी है।
This stage will operate for
Fourth
271
stage
seconds,
performance normal.
during which the rocket will ascend to 80
Plus 10
kilometers
minutes.
in altitude. The relative velocity is enhanced from 6.2 kilometers per second to 7.3 kilometers per second. At 13 minutes 12 seconds into flight, the PS4 shuts off.
PSLV C60 स्पेडएक्स मिशन में स्पेडएक्स ए तथा स्पेडएक्स बी नामक दो अंतरिक्ष यानों को 476 किलोमीटर की गोलाकार कक्षा में 55 डिग्री के झुकाव के साथ प्रक्षेपित किया जाएगा। इसमें स्पेडएक्स ए तथा स्पेडएक्स बी दोनों ही लगभग 220 किलोग्राम के हैं। PSLV की सटीक प्रक्षेपण क्षमताओं का प्रयोग करते हुए इन दोनों अंतरिक्ष यानों को कम से कम सापेक्ष गति के साथ यान से पृथक किया जाएगा। यान से पृथक होने के बाद इन दोनों उपग्रहों को, जिनमें एक को टारगेट तथा
Plus
दूसरे
11
को
minutes.
चेजर अंतरिक्ष यान का नाम दिया गया है। इनके बीच लगभग 30 किलोमीटर का अंतर होगा। यह अंतर कम होते हुए 20 किलोमीटर
Fourth
की
stage
दूरी को
performance
टारगेट यान से
normal.
मौजूद प्रणोदन प्रणाली द्वारा बनाए रखा जाएगा। फिर सुनियोजित तरीके से प्रणोदन प्रणाली का इस्तेमाल करते हुए चेजर अंतरिक्ष यान टारगेट यान के नजदीक आएगा और यह दूरी जब 5 किलोमीटर से भी कम होते हुए 3 मीटर की हो जाएगी, तब अंतिम में दोनों अंतरिक्ष यान एक दूसरे से जुड़ जाएंगे। इसे हम डॉकिंग कहते हैं। दोनों अंतरिक्ष यानों के जुड़ने के बाद दोनों के बीच विद्युत शक्ति का स्थानांतरण का प्रदर्शन किया जाएगा। इस प्रदर्शन के पश्चात दोनों फिर से अलग होंगे और अपने नियत भारों का उद्दिष्ट कार्य निष्पादन करेंगे। इन उपग्रहों को 2 साल के
Plus
जीवन
12
काल
minutes.
के लिए अभिकल्पित किया गया है।
SpaceX mission is ISRO's first endeavor to get two spacecrafts to dock in space. SpaceX has indigenous technologies developed for this mission. Docking mechanism is homegrown. So are the suite of 4 rendezvous and docking sensors. The spacecrafts will carry power transfer elements. The two spacecrafts will autonomously communicate through
Fourth
inter-satellite
stage
communication
performance
link
normal.
ISL, incorporated with inbuilt intelligence to know the states of other spacecraft. The Novel Relative Orbit Determination and Propagation RODP processor used for SpaceX is GNSS based. It is meant to determine the relative position and velocity of other
Plus
spacecraft.
13 minutes.
The noteworthy thing is, due to small size of SpaceX spacecraft, the precision involved is higher than what is sufficient for a larger spacecraft. Indigenous novel autonomous rendezvous and docking
Fourth stage
strategy
thrust
have
cutoff.
been developed.
Vehicle in hosting phase before
चतुर्थ
satellite
चरण
separation
को
for 117 seconds.
अब बंद कर दिया गया है। कुछ ही क्षणों में अंतक्षेपण की स्थितियां प्राप्त की जाएंगी। इस घटनाक्रम में कक्षा में अंतक्षेपण की स्थितियां प्राप्त होते ही स्पेडएक्स बी को सर्वप्रथम अंतक्षेपित किया जाएगा। उसके 3 सेकंड के पश्चात स्पेडएक्स ए को अंतक्षेपित किया जाएगा।
The fourth stage having shut off,
Plus 14 minutes.
vehicle is currently coasting.
स्पेडएक्स उपग्रहों में विशेष संवेदक लगाए गए हैं। जी हाँ, अभी रेंज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर ने इसकी पुष्टि की। कक्षा में अंतक्षेपण की स्थितियां प्राप्त की जा चुकी हैं। कुछ ही क्षणों में स्पेडएक्स बी का प्रमोशन हम देखेंगे।
We are few seconds away from the injection of SpaceX B spacecraft, followed by SpaceX A separation, which will take place 3 seconds later.
plus 15 minutes.
कक्षा में अंतरिक्षेपण की स्थितियां प्राप्त की जा चुकी हैं।
SpaceX B and SpaceX A satellites are separated.
जी हाँ, और रेंज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर ने इसकी पुष्टि की। दोनों
This
मुख्य
is Range
उपग्रह
Operation Director.
बी और
PSLV
SpaceX A दोनों को
C60 mission accomplished with
सफलतापूर्वक
respect
उद्देश्य
to
कक्षा में
SpaceX
अंतरिक्षित
satellite
कर दिया गया
separation.
है।
But mission is continuing for PS4 orbital platform experiment, that is POEM-4, with two phases of fourth stage restart. After two phases of restart, PS4 stage orbit will be changed to 354 km circular. The first phase of PS4 restart happens in non-visibility period. The second phase of PS4 restart takes place in the visibility period of Shetland in orbit 2. During the non-visibility period, ground trace will be updated by extrapolation on the video wall. The non-visibility period is approximately for 3100 seconds. All the stations involved in operation shall continue in operations. Handing over to Mission Director.
This is Mission Director. PSLV C60 SpaceX mission is accomplished with respect to SpaceX A and B satellites. POEM operations will continue. Thank you.
A jubilant ambience here on the night of 30th December 2024. ISRO has got its own space docking experiment. Do continue to follow the social media handles of ISRO for the updates on the space handshake. Stay tuned for the address by Secretary DOS Chairman ISRO Dr. S. Somnath. We take leave from you. Goodbye.
इस मिशन में मुख्य उपग्रह को सफलतापूर्वक अंतरिक्षेपित करने के पश्चात
రైట్ 400 కిలోల బరువుతో వెళ్లినటువంటి పిఎస్ఎల్వి C60 రాకెట్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ గా తన ఆర్బిటార్లోకి వెళ్లి చేరింది. 4 దశల్లో ఈ అంతరిక్ష ప్రయోగం 4 దశల్లో జరిగింది. 4 దశల్లో కూడా విజయవంతంగా ముందుకు దూసుకెళ్లింది పిఎస్ఎల్వి C60. శాటిలైట్స్ అనుసంధానం, డాకింగ్, అన్డాకింగ్ సంబంధించిన విజువల్స్ ని కూడా మనం స్క్రీన్ మీద చూసాం. సో గగన్యాన్, చంద్రయాన్ 4 ప్రయోగాలకు కూడా ఈ శాటిలైట్స్ SpaceX అనేటువంటి ఉపగ్రహాలు ఉపయోగపడబోతున్నాయి. ముఖ్యంగా నింగిలోకి SpaceX దూసుకెళ్లడంతో మనం ప్రపంచంలో 4వ దేశంగా ఈ డాకింగ్, అన్డాకింగ్కి సంబంధించి అలాగే శాటిలైట్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ రేట్కి సంబంధించి కూడా 4వ దేశంగా ఉండబోతున్నాం. ప్రపంచ పటంలో భారత్ ఒక కొత్త చరిత్రను లిఖించిందనే చెప్పాలి. ఈ SpaceX ద్వారా అమెరికా, రష్యా, చైనా సరసన భారత్ చేరింది. శాటిలైట్ అనుసంధానం, అంతరిక్ష వ్యర్థాల తొలగింపునకు కూడా ఈ SpaceX ప్రయోగం ఉపయోగపడబోతోంది. అలాగే నింగిలోకి పలు విత్తనాలను కూడా పంపించడం జరిగింది.
Kilometer circular orbit. That's only one part of the mission, injection of the SpaceX satellites. Now, in another 15 minutes, the fourth stage of PSLV will change its orbit from 475 km to 350 km lower orbit by first phase of firing. And also, the second phase of firing will be at about 1 hour 20 minutes later after the liftoff. So that process is continuing to enable POEM operations to happen. Further to that, the spacecraft is also going to wait for the solar panel deployment. So the team spacecraft is looking at whether the panels are deployed or not. So we'll get a confirmation soon. So as far as we are concerned, the mission is very well as far as the rocket is concerned. So it has placed the satellite in the right orbit. The SpaceX 2 satellites are moved. You would have seen in the animation that they moved little one behind the other. So over the period of time, for the days, it will pick up further distance, travel to almost a 20 kilometer distance away. And then the rendezvous and docking process will start. And we hope that the docking process can happen in another 1 week. The nominal time is going to be approximately 7th of January. So I'm waiting for the panel deployment status. I think you have the status? Yes. So I would like to say that the panels of the satellites have been deployed successfully. So congratulations to the entire team of the PSLV project who put the satellite in the right orbit. Also the SpaceX team who worked very innovative, novel, cost-effective docking demonstration mission using two small satellite bus architecture. So congratulations to them as well. And also two very important parts of this mission is the POEM-4, where we have 24 payloads hosted, which are from the startups, industries, academic institutions, research laboratories, and also from ISRO centers. All the R&D payloads are there waiting for testing in the coming days, in fact in months. So congratulations to them for successful accomplishment of all the mission objectives through the POEM. So once again, thank you. Before I hand over, I would like to request the mission director, Mr. Jayakumar, to speak a few words.
Thank you, sir. So, hearty congrats to Team ISRO for venturing into the exciting domain of space docking. This mission is once again a POEM-intensive mission. We have 24 payloads on board, and congratulations to the team who have developed these payloads adhering to our schedules. And congratulations to InSpace for facilitating the delivery of these payloads. This time we are flying the indigenous Vikram 3201 based mission management computer in POEM. Also we have interesting experiments like space robots doing debris capture and inchworm walking, then plasmaspheric and electron density measurements. 3 biological experiments are there, advanced inertial sensors, green propulsion systems, etc. And this month, in fact, we had 2 launches of PSLV from the same launch pad, that is the first launch pad. So after the first launch, the SDSC team, SHART team, was very quick in refurbishing the launch pad. Special thanks to them, and also to the teams in VSSC. We also had the movement of the fully integrated vehicle that is up to the PS4 stage from PIF to MST. So let me thank the SDSC and VSSC teams for making this possible. On this occasion, let me thank Chairman ISRO, who is a role model for all of us, and all the center directors for the ardent support provided, and to the mission executives, Sri Damodaran, Chandramouli, Grahadure, Raghavendra, and Surendran, who have worked as a coherent team. I thank all the SDS and SR agencies spread across different centers for their tremendous efforts to make this launch on schedule. Let me take this opportunity to thank chairman and members of Lab, MRR, FRR, ORC, and all the DRTs for the extensive reviews and clearing all systems. I place on record our deep appreciation for our industry partners for the key role they play in realizing different systems and carrying out the integration of the vehicle as per schedule. Let me also thank my own PSLV project team for their tireless efforts put in for the past few months. Thanks to the admin and auxiliary staff who have supported our campaign activities. Finally, I thank our dear family members for understanding us and providing wholehearted support for keeping our mission successful. Wishing all of you a happy new year 2025. Jai Hind.
The concept of the docking experiment in orbit has been a long journey in terms of conceptualization, the architecture of these 2 satellites that came about, and building it over many years of work done by the team at URSC, UR Rao Satellite Center. The current satellite project director will speak to you now.
Respected Chairman ISRO and our various center directors and distinguished members of our ISRO community who have all assembled here, and my dear colleagues. Good evening to all of you. At the outset, I would like to congratulate our PSLV team for the 2 successful launches that in a month. I think it's a record, and for proving that way the vehicle's robustness once again. You have also placed our twin babies in a perfect circular orbit as per our requirement, and I'm happy to share the news that our solar panels are successfully deployed, and the strikes out are on their journey, unfolding their wings towards the docking experiment, which is expected to be happening around January 1st week. This mission is very interesting and challenging, not just because of our space docking experiment. The interesting POEM-4 payloads, which are also unique and futuristic in nature. Let me congratulate all our POEM team members, payload team, for their further operation success. On this happy occasion, I would like to, crossing this important milestone of our SpaceX project, I thank our Chairman ISRO and Director URSC for their valuable guidance and support provided during the entire period. Also, I would like to put on record my gratitude and appreciation to all our earlier program directors, project directors, and project executives for their significant contribution. Also, SpaceX has undergone a thorough review mechanisms, various review mechanisms. I would like to put on record my sincere appreciation and gratitude to all our committee members, chairmen, for their invaluable effort, guidance and contributions. As you are aware, the space sector is going through a phase change to enable the private participation in a big way to meet our growing demands, as per our latest space policy guidelines. As an enabler, SpaceX was assembled, integrated and tested at a vendor premises for the first time. As earlier, many other industries also have significantly contributed for the fabrication and testing of this.
అంతరిక్షంలో మరో అద్భుతం చేసేందుకు ఇస్రో సిద్ధమై సక్సెస్ అయింది. ఇప్పటివరకు అమెరికా, రష్యా, చైనా మాత్రమే చేయగలిగిన డాకింగ్, అన్డాకింగ్ను సక్సెస్ చేసే కార్యక్రమంలో ముందుకు దూసుకెళ్లింది. స్పేడెక్స్ మిషన్ ప్రయోగం సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా నింగిలోకి దూసుకెళ్లింది అంటూ కూడా చైర్మన్, సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా విజయవంతమైంది అంటూ కూడా చైర్మన్ అండ్ మిగతా డైరెక్టర్స్ అందరూ కూడా తెలపడం మనం ఇప్పటివరకు విన్నాం. ఇస్రో మరో ఘనత సాధించింది. ప్రతిష్టాత్మకంగా చేపట్టిన స్పేడెక్స్ ప్రయోగం విజయవంతమైంది. నింగిలోకి దూసుకెళ్లిన పిఎస్ఎల్వి C60 రాకెట్ ఉపగ్రహాలను నిర్దిష్ట కక్షలోకి ప్రవేశపెట్టింది. ఈ శాటిలైట్స్ బరువు 440 కిలోలు ఉంటుంది. అమెరికా, రష్యా, చైనా మాత్రమే చేయగలిగిన స్పేస్ డాకింగ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ను పూర్తి చేసింది. స్పేస్ డాకింగ్ టెక్నాలజీ కలిగిన 4వ దేశంగా భారత్ అవతరించింది. 10 గంటల 15 సెకండ్లకు పిఎస్ఎల్వి C60 రాకెట్ నింగిలోకి దూసుకెళ్లింది. ముందుగా 9 గంటల 58 నిమిషాలకు పంపించాలని అనుకున్నప్పటికీ 2 నిమిషాలు ఆలస్యంగా ప్రయోగం చేపట్టారు. అంతరిక్షంలో ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్ ఏర్పడిందని, రాకెట్ వెళ్లాల్సిన అదే కక్షలో ఇతర ఉపగ్రహాలు అనుసంధానం చేయడంతో ఆలస్యంగా పంపించారు. తొలిసారిగా డాకింగ్, అన్డాకింగ్ చేసే విధంగా శాటిలైట్లను ఇస్రో రూపొందించింది.